Resume recording. 1 second.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, am I recording, guys? Look at this.
Yes, sir. Anything
Yes,
I
yes,
voice
sir,
you
it's
or any
recorded.
voice is
Yes.
high, anything
Yes, yes, yes.
from this?
So this is a JE timetable. This is a TS timetable. Okay. So the people who have not gone through, this is JE TT. TT is nothing but timetable. TS TT. Okay. Yes. So yes, we have started determinants beta, and but in fact, like we'll be going very fast. We'll be going very fast for IP preparation. IP preparation is nothing but like we have to solve question and answer, question and answer. So basically, you'll be getting as it is question from your textbook for your IP exam, where it will not be for your JE mains. For JE mains, you have to work hard. You have to learn the conceptualize. We have to solve multiple types of question. Then only you'll be having a good command on that. All right. So for solving, IP, just need not to solve the problems out of your book. The problems whichever you have, you just need to make sure that you're solving your book problems. You understood my point, guys? Are you getting my point? What I'm talking here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we started determinants beta. The many of you might be aware of what is determinant and how to find. We have seen minors, cofactors, and adjoint of a matrix. We have seen that. All right. And moreover, like we'll be solving many problems. Today I'm going to finish determinants basically. Let's solve what type of questions they may ask in your exam actually. Is it clear, beta? All right. You understood, beta?
Also, I want to say.
Sorry.
I want to say something.
Yes, Varun.
I sent a Telugu Academy photos of this.
Yeah. You have
These
sent
matrices.
I think, yeah, in a textbook. I mean, something whatever.
Yeah, PDF.
Yeah. No problem. No problem. So we'll follow that only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So very simple. Look, let us solve the question. Let's say that you have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 5. Niyati, have you done with determinants, matrices and determinants from your college side?
No, sir, I'm not. I haven't done.
So this is the first time you are joining for this IPA class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. You make sure that you do one thing. You just go through the lecture videos. Okay, we have done with the trigonometry. Trigonometry is in fact trigonometry ratios. In fact, that is a very easy topic. And matrices we have done. Matrices we have finished in just 2 classes. What we have solved is we just solved what exactly matrices, what are the types of matrices, what are the questions can be asked from matrices lesson. Just we have finished in 2 classes. There will be 2 recording videos. You may go through that and get an idea what exactly we have gone through in TS classes. Okay. And for determinants, maximum for every topic, whatever the topic you take, but maximum I'll be taking 2 classes, not more than that. So in one class, I'll be solving basic questions, and in the second class, in the first class, I'll be solving basic questions, and in the second class, I'll be solving somewhat like typical kind of questions. All right, beta, is it clear? Yes. So for determinants, we have done with 1 class. Today is the last class for determinants, so you may go through that. All right. Niyati. Yes. So now look at this here. He has given a matrix here. He's asking for adjoint. Find adjoint and the inverse of this matrix. Inverse of this matrix. How can I find out? How to find out adjoint and how to find out inverse? Tell me. Basically, what I told, beta. See, for I just gave you the property. How to make sure that first you have to find out determinant of this A matrix. How can I find out determinant? 1, 2, 3, 5. First, you need to write in 2 lines like this. That is what called as determinant. That's how we denote determinant. This is a matrix. This is a determinant. Okay, beta. Is it clear? Niyati. So you might not be able to understand what I'm trying to teach today because you haven't been through this lesson so far, right? So better today you go through beta matrices and determinants, you go through so that you will get an idea what exactly we were talking about. Okay, so just you make sure that today you're listening to the class properly. Okay, I'll be just teaching in a well manner, no problem. Just look at this. How to find a determinant here? Just cross multiplication. 1 into minus 5, how much beta? Minus 5. Just 2 into 3, how much? Minus 2 into 3, how much? 6. So what is the determinant here? Minus 11. So minus 11 is not equal to 0, right? Is it clear? Minus 11 is not equal to 0, right? So which means determinant, therefore determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0. Determinant of matrix is not equal to 0, which means A inverse. I mean, E inverse is exist, which means E inverse of this matrix is what? E inverse. So E inverse exists. He's asking us to find E inverse, right? Before finding E inverse, what you have to find out, beta? Determinant. If determinant is equal to 0, if determinant is equal to 0, there is a no E inverse of the matrix. You can't find out. If determinant is not equal to 0, you can find out inverse, which means E inverse is exist. Okay? So now look at it here. How can I find out E inverse? First, let us find out adjoint. E inverse exists. So let's say what joint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix, beta? How to find out adjoint? Varun? How to find out adjoint? For finding adjoint, what you have to find out? Cofactors. For finding cofactors, what you need? Minors. Okay? Isn't it?
Minus.
So now tell me, adjoint of A matrix is what? First, let us find out cofactors. Cofactors nothing but we denote cofactors with A11, A12, which is nothing. Cofactor is nothing but cofactor of first row, first column element. Cofactor of first row, second column element. I mean, first row, second. Once Devanshika is joining now. So A21 is nothing but second row, first element. A22 is nothing but second row, second element. Okay. So what is A11 now? Tell me, what is A11 here?
1, 2, 1, 3.
No. A11. What is A11 beta here? What is the cofactor of this one? -5, isn't it?
It's minus.
You understood my point here. How to find out
Yes.
cofactor? Beta, look at it here. 1, 2. Ritik are here. See, for finding cofactors, if I'm finding the cofactor of 1, I need to close of that particular row and particular column. What I left with here now? -5. Okay, this is my minor of that one. Okay, this is what minor of 1, 1. So adjoint of 1, 1, what is the formula? -1 to the power of, what is I here? 1. What is j here? 1. So 1 plus 1. What is m11 here? You have to substitute m11. So -1 to the power of 2 into m11 is what? -5. -1 whole square is +1 into -5. What is the answer? -5 only. You understood my point? So this is the process behind finding a minor. Cofactor of that particular element. You understood, beta? You understood or not? Varun, I think you might not be aware of this. If you are not aware of this, please go through the previous video. We have detailedly explained. We have explained very detailedly so that you will get an idea what exactly the minor is all about, what exactly the cofactor is all about. You understand, beta? Here, clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So simple, basic common sense. Common sense, by applying common sense, you can say yes. What exactly the cofactor of that? Look at this. If I'm asking you, beta, what is the cofactor of second row? First row. A21, second row, first column. This one. For finding, what is the cofactor of A21? Tell me. This is A21, right? What is the cofactor of A21 element? -3, isn't it? -8 lauta, sir. Look at it. If I close this one and this one, I just left with 2, right? I just left with what? 2, right? So 2. Which 2? -2. Minus ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? ఎందుకంటే చూడు, what is the minor of that A21? What is the minor of A21? Tell me. What is the minor of A21? 2 ఏ కదా? For finding cofactor, what I told here? A21. What was the formula? -1 to the power
of 1.
2 plus 1 into ఈ element ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో same thing you have to write.
2.
So -1 to the power of 3 into 2, which gives you -2 only, isn't it? Mind calculation, beta. Look at what is the formula for finding? What is the formula for finding cofactor? Aij is equal to -1 to the power of I plus j into mij. ఇది formula కదా. ఇక్కడ I, what exactly I denotes here? Row. What exactly j denotes here? Column. Isn't it? So there is a formula. We have discussed it very detailedly. Okay, Devanshika, hope you clear with this. Devanshika, can you please send me that determinants once again? I just rebooted my phone, so everything has chat has been deleted. So can you send whatever you have sent to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think you need not to take the pictures again, right? I already have the saved PDF.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please send it. Okay, beta. So this is what cofactors concept. Okay. For finding adjoint, what do you need, beta? For finding adjoint, what do you need? You need to find out cofactors. You need to find out cofactors of individual element of the given matrix. All right. Look at it. A matrix is given what? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. This is my determinant here, right? Okay. Determinant here. Okay. Now I'm asking you to find out, beta. Tell me what is the, or else you write in terms of matrix only. What is the cofactor of A11? Tell me. What is the cofactor of A11?
-5. minus
A11 is what? -5. Very good. What's the cofactor of A12? A12 is what?
3
-3, not 3. 3 అని ఎవరు చెప్పారు? ఇక్కడ చూడండి.
minus
ఎందుకు? లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్. A13, A12 ఫార్ములా ఏంటి బేటా? -1 to the power of 1 plus 2. ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ వస్తుంది కదా. -2 to the power of odd number always gives you minus, isn't it? ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది, నాకు ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది కదా. -1 to the power of 3 gives you always -1, isn't it? మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? అందుకు కావాలంటే మీరు చూసుకోండి ఇక్కడ. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్. ఇంటూ what is the M12? what is M12 ఇక్కడ? -1 to the power of 3 -1 కదా. M12 ఏంటిది? M12 ఏంటిది?
M12 is minus
M12 is 3 బేటా. లుక్ ఎట్ ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇదే కదా మిగిలేది, అవునా కదా? సో -3 కదా. సో -3 ఎందుకని -3 రాస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి నాకు A21 is what? What is A21? Please people try to understand.
minus
Don't
2
A21 ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ just erase all this.
minus 2 sir.
A21 -2. Very good. Why? Because you know, whenever you better, let me give a logic here. ఇప్పుడు రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే, if I add these two, I'm getting what? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. If at all even number, whatever the symbol you have, it will be same actually. You know, here what is 1 plus 2? If I'm adding these two, 1 plus 2, if I'm getting odd number here, if I get odd number, symbol change, sign changes. Okay, here also 2 plus 1 how much? Again odd kada, sign changes. All right, if at all it is even, sign will not change. Whatever the sign is there, that will be as it is. Same sign. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So whatever the symbol you have, it will be as it is. When, if at all, you are adding that to I plus j. Okay. Now tell me, beta, what is A22? Very simple. Idi even kada. Ikkada A22 ante enti cheppandi?
1 answer
1 kada. Very simple. Who told the answer?
that means 1
Very good, Varun. Very good, Varun. All right. Very good. Isn't it clear? Is it clear? How simple?
Yes,
it is?
sir.
So similarly for 3x3 matrix as well. Have you sent beta that? Yes, very good. Thank you, Devanshika. And sorry for troubling.
2 sir, 2 by 2 is AD minus BC, right? To cancel 2 square matrix.
Okay.
The cross multiply is AD minus BC formula.
AD minus BC formula. That is very simple. AD minus BC. Look at it. If at all I have, look at it here. AD minus BC only. A, B, C, D. If determinant find out cheyalante, AD minus BC is a formula. Let's say this is A matrix. Determinant of A is going to be what? AD minus BC. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
AD minus BC. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's clear, it's clear.
Very simple, right? Yes. Now, what exactly is asking us to find out here? Inverse and adjoint. Now tell me adjoint. Adjoint and name cheppanu nenu. Look at it. Adjoint of A is equal to, so let us write all these things in order. అవునా కదా? A11, A12, A1, A21, A22. దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తేనే వచ్చేది అడ్జాయింట్. ఓకేనా? ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఇట్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ హావ్ టు డు? రోస్ యూ హావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్
Columns,
కాలమ్స్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్
rows,
ఆఫ్
columns to rows.
రోస్. ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ రోస్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వీళ్ళందరూ నిల్చున్నారు కదా, వీళ్ళని పడుకోబెట్టాలి. వీళ్ళు నిల్చున్నారు కదా, వీళ్ళని పడుకోబెట్టాలి. అర్థమైందా? లేకపోతే పడుకున్న వాళ్ళని లేపాలి అక్కడ. అర్థమైందా? యూ గెట్ మై పాయింట్ హియర్?
Yes,
You
sir.
understood? These guys are sleeping here. I'm making them to stand here. These guys are sleeping here. I'm making them to stand. That's it. That is what transpose. That is what transpose. And I found what this is. This is what cofactors of matrix A. So adjoint A is nothing but what? Transpose of cofactors of the elements. ఈ cofactors కదా, ఈ cofactors వీటిని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసేది వచ్చేది ఎవడు? అడ్జాయింట్ A. Getting my point? Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello? These are the cofactors.
Yes, sir.
సో దీన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే నాకు ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు? అడ్జాయింట్ A. This is not adjoint A. Now he's asking us to find inverse. How can I find out inverse here? Inverse formula ఏంటిది? A inverse formula ఏంటిది చెప్పండి? అడ్జాయింట్ A by DTA. Adjoint A by determinant of A. You understand my point? This is the formula for A inverse. Look at this now. A inverse find out చేయాలి కదా. అడ్జాయింట్ ఏం వచ్చింది నాకు చెప్పండి? అడ్జాయింట్ ఏం వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు? యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాయండి. -5, -2, -3, 1 కదా. డివైడెడ్ బై వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ A ఏమొచ్చింది చూడ, స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇగో -11 కదా. డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ A -11 కదా. అవునా కదా? సరే నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే సింపుల్ గా రాసాను బెటర్. నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఉంటేనే ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అని చెప్పాను కదా. ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్
It
ఇస్
is equal to 0, it
0,
exists.
ఎస్. సో మైనస్ 11 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, అంతే సింపుల్. మైనస్ 11 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే నాకు ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి నాకు. ఏం చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు?
5/11, 2/11, 3/11,
5/11,
minus 1/11.
11 minus 1.
3/11 minus 1/11.
Minus 1 by.
ఈ చోటు కాన్సెప్ట్ ని ఇంతసేపు చెప్తున్నాం మనం, ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే ద పీపుల్ హు ఆర్ న్యూ టు ద క్లాస్, ఫర్ దెమ్ ఓన్లీ ఐ టుక్ దిస్ మచ్ టైం, బట్ ఇనిషియల్ లైక్ basically will not take this much time to solve any question. Okay, all right, very simple question beta. Next, let me give you a couple of questions here. Let me one second. I think you have sent me matrices only, Devanshika. I want you to send the determinants, not matrices.
Oh, so 1 minute, sir.
No, matrices only you have sent it again. Determinants I need.
Okay, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, Niyati, are you here, Niyati?
Yes, sir.
See, are you able to understand? Yeah, I understand, there might be a problem to understand the concept because you haven't been through this concept so far, right? So that might be the reason, it takes time to understand, right? So you do one thing, please do watch the recording videos so that you will get an idea. You understand my point, beta?
Sir, the recordings aren't posted in resources.
If you open Google Classroom, it will be there as it is. Okay.
Okay.
In the same Google Classroom, in TS Google Classroom itself, we can find it out. I'll be posting everything in TS Classroom today. Everything. Okay. Everything I'll be posting in TS Classroom. All the links.
Okay, sir.
All
Okay,
the
sir.
links I'll be posting there. Okay, beta? Yes. And so far, if you want me to show, I'll just show it to you. Look at this. This was, okay. This was the thing, right? Look at it here. TS, I didn't post anything here. Look at this. I didn't post anything here. Study material and syllabus. So this was the case actually. Now, if you observe this properly, look at this here. Can you see JEE and NEET class 11 here? Can you see left side? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you click on that, I just have shared everything here. I just shared everything here. Look at this. Let me show you. If you go to the class work like this, matrices and determinants. Can you see the topic name left side? Can you see here? If you click on the matrices and determinants, IP. So everything I have shared in JEE and NEET class. By mistakenly I have shared there. But you guys have to, hereafter I'll be sharing everything in what? TS class. Which one? Which class group? Here. TS grade 11. Can you find out this? I'll be sharing everything. You just need to tap here and just go through that. Make sure that you are going through the classroom. I'll be uploading everything here. But so far whatever we have gone through, beta, I'll be pasting here. 1 second, I'll just show in front of you only here only. Okay, you can see this link. Can you see the link here, beta? Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Now can you see the link here? Look at this here. 1 second. All these things I'll be posting like this. I'm just taking this from here and I'll be posting in TS grade 11. Look at this. Okay, creating a material. Okay, I'm just pasting it here. Okay, matrices and determinants recordings. Okay, so this is how you can just go through. I'll just create a topic called matrices. What is this? Matrices and determinants. I'll create a topic called matrices and determinants. Okay, so look at it, saved, post. All right.
Okay, sir.
You can just go through that. If you just click on that link, it takes you to the channel. You can watch from there. All right, beta, you understand my point? All right, so everything
Yes.
from today onwards, the notes whichever I'm going to teach here, what the notes whichever I'm writing in the class, everything will be shared in the TS grade 11 ID only. Please go through that and watch it. Okay, thank you. So we will just go through the questions now. Devanshika, are you here? What happened? Hello. Devanshika ji, are you here or not? Okay, no problem. Look at it. I give you the problem.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. I'm giving.
Yes, guys. How many of you? What do you call that? What is his name? I forgot. Varun. Varun. Hello.
Sir.
Varun, are you here?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. Now the question is what he has given, that if matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2 is given. Okay. Now if at all I ask you to find out determinants of this, how can I find out determinants?
A1 into A2.
First, look at it here.
A2 C3
I need
minus.
to, yes, look at it here. This into this. After closing this, what I have to do? This into this, I have to 3 into 2, 1 into 3. After closing this and this, I have to close. Then 3 into 1, 2 into 1, like that. Okay, everything.
For us, they taught like a formula, sir, like A1 into A2.
Anything is
C3
fine.
minus.
Perfect, perfect. You are like, look at it. Everything is fine here. Everything is perfect. You can just go to that. I think again you have shared. Okay, no problem. Look at this guys here. And what is the determinant? What are the topics they have deleted from the determinants actually? I mean, what are the
Properties of determinant.
properties of determinants they have deleted, right? Properties of determinants, changing the rows and columns with respect to that rows and all, right?
Yeah, skew symmetric all.
Okay. They have deleted. So what about this one? What about this topic? They have the deleted system of linear equations.
Yes, sir.
That is also the deleted.
System.
Hello, system of linear equations, beta. No, system of linear equations, Cramer's rule and all.
Only Cramer's rule and matrix inversion.
No, actually, what I'm asking is what are the topics they have deleted from this determinants? Properties of determinants, okay.
Gauss-Jordan's method.
Okay, Gauss-Jordan methods.
And homogeneous.
Okay. So
Wait, I have the syllabus.
no problem, you can send it to me. But you have this one, right? Consistency and inconsistency.
Those are also deleted. Sir.
Deleted. Rank of matrix, everything.
Rank of matrix is there, I think. But
Rank of
consistency is not there.
Matrix inversion method. Matrix inverse method.
That is there. Sir.
Matrix inversion method.
Yes, sir, it's there.
Matrix
inverse. Only Cramer's rule and matrix inversion method.
Okay, matrix inverse method is what basically look at this. Consider any matrix. Look at a matrix equation have like this: Ax is equal to D. So if I, where A matrix is what here? A is a non-singular matrix.
Non-singular. X is inverse D.
What do you mean by non-singular? Determinant of A should not be equal to 0.
B equal to 0.
Okay. So we can find out it is non-singular, right? Non-singular matrix is nothing but a determinant of A is not equal to 0, which means I can find out A inverse here, isn't it? Okay, a matrix non-singular untene I can find out, isn't it? I can find out A inverse. Niyati, you understand Telugu, right?
Yes, sir.
So if matrix determinant is equal to 0, then only I can find out A inverse. If at all determinant is equal to 0, I can't find out. Very simple. Which means non-singular ante entidi? Determinant is not equal to 0. Okala singular matrix ante entidi? Okala determinant A equal to 0 aithe adi singular, not equal to 0 aithe non-singular. ఒకవేళ నాన్ సింగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితేనే మనం ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం, లేకపోతే రాదు. ఓకేనా?
సో x is equal to A inverse D.
X is equal to what here? A inverse of
A inverse D.
This is a formula basically. Okay, now from this, what is x denotes here? X denotes what? X comma y comma z. These are unknown, basically unknown things. These are unknown. Okay, you have to find out this. Okay, let's see. Okay, Ritvik, I'll just go through that, no problem. Now for suppose, like, let us solve a simple question here. Let us solve a simple question, and they have given you a direct textbook question only. 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18 given. So 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 13. 5x minus 2y plus 7.
Hello, sir. I sent you the topics that were in matrices.
Yes. Look at this here. So beta, look at this here. What is the form? What was the formula here? Ax is equal to D. You have to write it first. Write what exactly is A matrix here. A matrix and A matrix and
3, 4, 5.
Look at this.
Yes.
Simply in coefficients. All coefficients.
3, 4, 5, 2 minus.
So 3, 4, 5, 2
minus
ఏం లేదు
1.
కాబట్టి -1 కదా 8.
Yes, sir.
సో
Minus
2
8.
-1 8. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 5
5
-2
minus 2 7.
7. 5 -2 7. This is A matrix. Now what is X matrix here? I told you X.
X Y Z.
Okay, and D matrix is what is
These
constant.
18 13 20.
Okay, 18 30 20. This is my D matrix. Sir, why you are writing in terms of AXD only? Why? Because the formula was look at this. Because AXD is equal to ila తీసుకున్నారు. AX is equal to D. AX is equal to D. So I need A matrix, X matrix, and D matrix. A matrix is what? Coefficient. X matrix is what? Capital X matrix is what?
Capital X minus
Small x comma small y comma small
small y
z.
comma small
Right?
z.
What is D here? Constant matrix. Whatever the constants you have, that matrix is comes under D matrix. Look at it here. ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? D matrix. ఇక్కడ X ఎవరు? X matrix.
X matrix.
Okay, coefficients ఎవరు? A matrix. అర్థమైందా? Very simple.
First we should find x for A.
Very simple, guys. Look at it here. First of all, what you have to do here?
80.
What you have to find out determinant. What is the determinant of here? Determinant of ఎట్లా find out చేస్తాం? What was the formula? Very simple. Look at it here.
A1 into
What you
A.
have to do? You just close these three. With respect to that particular element, row and column, రెండు క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం? 3 into ఈ 3 ని క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా. 3 into 1 into -7. How much? -7.
Minus 7.
Minus of minus into
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
minus into minus plus 6.
Plus 16.
So -4. Next to -4 రాస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఈ whatever the element you have
7 into 2. 7.
whatever the element you have here, that will always gives you minus. So you have to write minus here.
Minus.
So that thing and this thing we have to close it. Now 2 into 7. 2 into 7 how much?
2
2
into
into 7 kada. 14 minus
40.
8 into 5 how
40.
much?
40.
Okay. Next plus 5 rastam. Plus 5 ఎందుకు రాస్తాం అంటే that is what the thing you have to write here with respect to 5. So close this. Okay. So what you left with this into this into this. Minus 2 into 2
Minus
how much?
minus 4.
Minus 4 minus 5.
Plus
Minus 2 to minus plus 5 kada.
Plus 5.
Okay now. So how much you get here? 9. So
First one 27 plus 1.
27. How much here? 26. Right? 26 4. 52. 104. 104.
104 plus 5.
104 plus 5. Okay now? Isn't it?
1,
Niyati, are you able to
136.
understand Niyati?
136.
Niyati.
Little, sir. Some parts I'm understanding. Some parts I'm still having doubts.
Okay, no problem. If at all you're not understanding, you can ask me in the next class. But without going through the basic class, you will not understand. We have gone through basic sums. So from there you can understand what is determinant of A ikkada enti ani pratidi okati ardhamaitadi. Okay na? Ikkada whatever always you get minus my here. Okay, ikkada eppudu minus vastadi. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ -4 ఉందనుకో, ఇక్కడ -4 రాసేవాళ్ళం. So it would have become a +4. Remember, you need to write minus here always. Okay, the reason behind that, everything you might have learned from college side. If at all you didn't learn, they'll be teaching you, don't worry. But as of now you go through my recordings. Okay, go through the recordings. Okay beta? Yes. Now look at this. So determinant of A is equal to not 0, right?
A inverse exists.
Okay, A inverse ఏంటిది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. A inverse exist. So we can use Cramer's rule. అసలు Cramer's rule అంటే ఏంటిది? Cramer's rule అంటే ఏంటిది? What is Cramer's rule? Basically, let me tell you. Basically, Cramer's rule ఏంటంటే చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నోట్ రాస్తాను. Cramer's rule ఏంటి అంటే, for suppose x by delta 1 is equal to y by delta 2 is equal to z by delta 3 should be equal to 1 by delta. This is what Cramer's rule. ఇక్కడ డెల్టా ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్? ఇక్కడ దానికి ఏం పని పట్టలేదా? ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? డెల్టా అంటే ఏంటి అంటే బేటా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు నీట్గా చెప్తాను. డెల్టా అంటే ఏమనుకున్నారు? ఇక్కడ డిటర్మినెంట్ ఏదో అనుకోకండి. ఓకేనా? నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను డెల్టా 1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కదా. డెల్టా 1 హౌ కెన్ ఐ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ డెల్టా 1? చెప్పండి నాకు. డెల్టా 1 హౌ కెన్ ఐ ఫైండ్ అవుట్?
First row you should take that constant, sir. 8
ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ రో కదా,
first column.
ఓకేనా?
First column.
డెల్టా 1 ఏంటంటే బేటా, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి సింపుల్ గా రాసాను, డిటర్మినెంట్స్ లో రాయాలి. డెల్టా 1 అంటే and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. సో డెల్టా 1 అంటే ఏం రాయాలంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉందా, ఇది ఉందా, వీళ్ళందరూ ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్స్ వస్తారు అనమాట. ఎవరు?
First column is replace.
అందరూ వాట్ ఇస్ ఏంటి అది? 18, 13, 20 సంథింగ్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం తెలుసా? Next,
4 minus
next remaining two columns
next
ఉన్నాయి కదా,
columns.
remaining next two columns you have to write as it is. ఇక్కడ ఏమేమైతే ఉన్నాయో whatever the column you have here you need to write as it is. 3 4 2 minus 1 5 minus 2 అలాగే రాసేయాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ or else ఇక్కడ I'm sorry, first no we
Yes, sir.
we wrote this as it is, right?
Last
We
two
have to
columns.
delete this, we have to delete this last, this one and this
Last
one you have to
column.
write as it is. This one and this one we have to write as it is. Look at it, 4 5 4 5 minus 1 8 minus 2
Minus 1,
7. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం రాసాము, ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్ అయితే ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళని రాసి మిగతా కాలమ్ 2 కాలమ్ 3 సేమ్. ఇప్పుడు డెల్టా 2 చెప్పండి నాకు. డెల్టా 2 అంటే సెకండ్ కాలమ్ లో కాన్స్టెంట్స్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ లో నేను అక్కడ నుంచి కాపీ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా చేసేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ వుడ్ బి యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. వాట్ ద ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ హియర్ 3 2 5. వాట్ ద థర్డ్ కాలమ్ 5 8 7.
8 7.
ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ ఇస్ వాట్ 3 2 7 5 8 7. ఇప్పుడు డెల్టా 3 అంటే ఏంటి? థర్డ్ కాలమ్ లో
Third
కాన్స్టెంట్.
column.
ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ 2 ఎవరు? మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ 2 కాలమ్స్ ఎవరు? యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళే వచ్చేస్తారు. 325 412 325 4 minus 1 minus 2. అర్థమైందా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. నౌ దీని డిటర్మినెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలండి నేను. కాంట్ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ బై యూజింగ్ ద మెథడ్ విచ్ వీ హావ్ డిస్కస్
Yes,
చేస్తున్నాం.
sir. Same method.
సేమ్ మెథడ్. ద డిటర్మినెంట్స్ ఒక్కదానికి అర్థమైతే ఇవన్నీ యూ కెన్ అప్లై బేసికలీ. ఆల్రైట్, హౌ టు రైట్? లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ నియతి, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. ఫర్ యూ ఐమ్ టీచింగ్ అగైన్ 18. With 18 మనం ఫస్ట్ you have to, with respect to row I'm just finding a determinant. With respect to row 1 I'm just finding a determinant. ఇది row 1 row 2 row 3. ఇది column 1 column 2 column 3. అర్థమైందా నియతి?
Yes, sir.
The horizontal lines are rows beta, vertical lines are columns in matrix. Okay na?
Minus 7.
Niyati, are you able to understand Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal rows are rows, vertical rows are columns. Okay, vertical whatever horizontal గా ఉన్నాయా ఇవన్నీ రోస్ కిందికి ఉంటారు. ఇది రో 1 రో 2 రో 3. ఇది కాలమ్ 1 కాలమ్ 2 కాలమ్ 3. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ రోస్ కాలమ్స్ ఎందుకు వచ్చినాయి సార్ ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ అంటే? మ్యాట్రిసెస్ లో రోస్ కాలమ్ లేకుండా పని అవ్వదు అనమాట. సో వి నీడ్ రోస్ అండ్ కాలమ్స్ టు లెర్న్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఓకేనా? నీకు అసలు రోస్ అంటే ఏంటి, కాలమ్స్ అంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ హావ్ డిస్కస్ దేర్. యూ జస్ట్ గో దేర్ అండ్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ యూఆర్ వాచింగ్ దట్. ఓకే, సో 18. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు రో నేను చేస్తున్నాను కదా, సో ఈ 18ని క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తే ఆ 18 ఉన్న రో అండ్ 18 ఉన్న కాలం. అవునా? ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది నాకు? -1 into 7.
Minus
-7
Minus 7
minus
plus 16.
into -2 into 6 -2 into 8 how much? -16 కదా.
Plus
నేను
16.
డైరెక్ట్ ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు నేను? హౌ కెన్ ఐ రైట్ దిస్? -8 plus 16 డైరెక్ట్ ఈ విధంగా రాయొచ్చా? అవునా కదా? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చెప్పాను? ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ప్రతిసారి మైనస్ లో వస్తుందని చెప్పానా? -4.
Minus 4.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? యూ జస్ట్
13.
క్రాస్ ద రో విచ్ హావ్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ క్రాస్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఎవరు మిగిలారు? వీడు ఇంటూ వీడు
13 7.
మైనస్ వీడు ఇంటూ వీడు. అవునా? ఎస్ఆర్ నో పీపుల్? ఎస్ఆర్ నో? 13 into 7 how much? 91 minus
91
20
minus
into 8 160 ప్లస్ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరితో చేయాలి మనం? లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. విత్ whom we have to do now? look at 5. just
5.
close that particular row, close that particular column. So why you are taking ఒకసారి 18 ఒకసారి 4 ఒకసారి 5 ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నానంటే you can take whatever the you can take with the second row as well, no problem. But for convenient purpose, for easy calculation purpose, I always take with respect to row 1. okay na? I'll be taking outside నేను ఏం రాస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ? row 1 subject, row 1 columns రాస్తున్నాను, row 1 elements. Next look at here. 5 into what? 3 into
minus 2.
minus 26
Minus 26.
minus 26. So minus into minus plus 20 కదా,
Plus
minus 20 into 1. yes, సో ఇలా రాసేస్తాను అనమాట. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ 18 ఉంది, -4 ఉంది, 5 ఉంది. అంటే 18 4 5 ఇవి విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు రో 1 ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ రో 1 ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. ఎంత వస్తుంది నాకు? ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 9 కదా. మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 68 -4 into 68. అవునా? సో ప్లస్ 5 into -6. now calculate చేయండి. 18 into 9 how much? 18 into 9 how much? 162. minus into minus plus. so 68 4 how much? 68 to 136. 136 అంటే 272 minus 30. ఇప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. జస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ దీస్ టూ. Is it clear people?
408.
408 అంటే 162 ఎంత? 162 272 4 14 444. Yes, 444 I'm getting, right? 4 13 434 minus 30. 434 minus 30, 404 I'm getting, not 408. Somewhere we made a mistake, I think. Either calculation mistake aintadi. Look at this here. You might have made a calculation mistake. Plus minus, you can just do that, guys. Ardhamayindi kada concept? How can we do? Isn't it? You understood or not, people? How to find out determinant of 2? Delta 2 is nothing but beta determinant. Em ledhu akkada. దీన్ని you can write simply ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఎవరు కొట్టరు నిద్దాం. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఎవరు కొట్టరు. డెల్టా 3 ప్లేస్ లో ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎవరేం కొట్టరు. కాకపోతే as per the textbook norms, as per the textbook rule, we just follow delta 2, delta 3. అర్థమైందా? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How can I find
Yes,
out
sir.
3 into something minus 8 into something plus 5 into something ikkada? And with respect to row only, look at 3 into something here, minus 4 into something, and plus 18 into something. Ila calculate
Sir, minus 69, sir. Minus 4 into minus 69.
Sorry?
Not wrong. Minus 4 into minus 69.
Oh, 69.
91 minus 160. Yes, sir.
69 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది నీకు? 280 in the sense 276 వస్తుంది. Am I correct? అవును, అంతే. సో 38 అప్పుడు 408 వస్తుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్. ఓకే, ఎస్, వాట్ ఎవర్. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందా? జస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, జస్ట్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ యు ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ద రైట్ వే. క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ఫాస్ట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, బట్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ రైట్ వే. ఓకేనా? సో ఇలా వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత వాట్ వాజ్ మై ఫార్ములా? యాక్చువల్లీ x by delta 1. వాట్ వాజ్ మై ఫార్ములా? x by delta 1 కదా. Cramer's rule is equal to what? X by delta 1 is equal to y by delta 2 is equal to z by delta 3 is equal to 1 by delta kada. Ante nenu can write now x by delta 1 is equal to 1 by delta and y by delta 2 is equal to 1 by delta and z by delta 3 is equal to 1 by delta kada. Ardhamainda? What I need here, I need to find out what? Nenu em find out cheyali? X values. X value find out cheyalante enti formula?
Delta 1 by delta.
ఇప్పుడు y find out చేయాలంటే delta 2 by delta
Delta 2 by delta.
z find out చేయాలంటే delta 3 by delta నే కదా. delta 1 ఆన్సర్ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు? 408 ఏమొచ్చింది. డెల్టా ఆన్సర్ డెల్టా అంటే ఏంటిది? డిటర్మినెంట్. ఇక్కడ డెల్టా ఏమొచ్చింది? 136. మా దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డెల్టా ఓన్లీ. డెల్టా ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ 136. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు 408 by 136. y, what is the y answer? You will get some answer divided by 136. z ఏంటిది? You will get delta 3 answer by 136. అర్థమైందా? Getting my point, people? Here delta 2 ante enti ma? Determinant of the delta 2 matrix. Look at this. Determinant of this, you will get an answer here. This answer divided by determinant of a. This answer divided by determinant of a for finding y and z values. Is it clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
we have to go somewhat fast, then only we can finish the syllabus. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ టీఎస్ క్లాసెస్ ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ టేకింగ్ ద టీఎస్ క్లాసెస్ ఈస్ టు గివ్ అ రివిజన్. మనకు టీఎస్ క్లాసెస్ అంటే ఏదో పెద్దగా రాకెట్ సైన్స్ లాగా చెప్పుకొని డప్పు కొట్టుకుంటే ఏం రాదు. అర్థమైందా? వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ హియర్ ఈస్ make sure that we are making sure that yes, we are getting connected to the subject and just we are making sure that we are understanding the basic concept of your TS book so that you will get good marks in your IP, intermediate public examination. You understand my point? Yes. I understand few of you might not have done with these topics. Yes, మీ కాలేజ్లో ఒక టాపిక్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత you will just understand in a clear cut way. But Niyati, I would request you that please go and watch the videos, recording videos. Until and unless beta you watch the basic videos, I'm sure you will not understand these classes. Even further classes. ఇప్పుడు నేను రేపు I'm going to start a new topic. 2 days one topic finished. Khatam. Okay na? And tomorrow I'm going to start a topic which you have done from your college side. Ardhamainda Niyati? So tomorrow I'm not going to take a topic which you haven't done from your college side. Let's say I have taken matrices where you did not finish that from your college side. At a useless kada. Unfortunately we had to choose this. Why? Because many of you have done this topic and I don't know that I was not aware of that. Miru matrices finished from college side. If at all you would have joined, if at all you joined somewhat before, then I would have came to know that yes, so Niyati has not finished this topic, so let us not start this topic. So you joined today only beta, no problem. So yes, today we will be finishing determinants and next class will be going for a new topic. Yes, now I would request everyone of you that which topic you have done from your college side. Maths 1B చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు 1 year ఎన్ని రోజులు 1 year చేసాం కదా, 1B చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు One below is the topics. Sai Niyati, what are the topics you have done from your 1B? Tell me, come on.
Sir, I'm actually CBSE.
You are from CBSE. My God. Then for these classes are not required, beta, for you.
No, so my dad said I needed the foundation. So
Oh. Then you can join it actually. This absolutely no problem at all. See, you are CBSE, right? For CBSE student, matrices and determinants are lesson in class 12th. So you are safe. No problem. You understand my point?
yes, sir.
For getting basics and all. See, in CBSE, this Cramer's rule and all you don't have. They removed from CBSE syllabus. They removed this Cramer's rule, whatever we have discussed just now. So this stuff you don't have in your CBSE class 12th book. Matrices and determinant is a lesson in class 12th maths book for CBSE students. For state board, it is included in class 11th. You understood, Niyati, what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
See, these classes are absolutely to understand the concept in a faster way. We are not going to JE classes will go slow, but here we'll be going like Shatabdi Express, like Ajanta Express. We'll be going like that. All right, bullet train. So you have to go in that way only. Then only we can finish the syllabus. This is absolutely to get a score in board exam, not to crack JE. See, whatever the concept we are going through, from this topic, from this concept, you will not even crack JE. I'm sure. From JE classes only you can crack. But these classes are especially, I'm telling everyone, these classes are for only your board exam, not for JE. JE classes will be separate. JE class will be separate, where I'm going to start now from 7:15. You understood, beta? So
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to understand the matrices and determinant basic, please go and watch that. No problem. Okay, so that you will understand a much better way. All right, you understood? Or else you do one thing, I'll send you a PDF. I'll send you a PDF of that entire matrices and determinants. Just the book PDF. It will be hardly, you'll be having like 4 to 5 pages concept. Just go through that and read and try to understand at least what exactly matrices and what exactly are determinants. Even you are not going through that, try to understand what is matrix, what is determinants, what are the methods we are following in that determinants and matrices. So what I supposed to learn as a CBSE student, you will come to know. See, I would suggest CBSE, for JE point of view, CBSE syllabus will be so you will be having so much of deep concepts comparatively CBSE matters. I'm talking about matrices and determinants. Why? Because I have been through class 12th matrices and determinants, right? So I have seen comparatively CBSE matrices and determinants. State board matrices and determinants would be so somewhat deeper. So I would suggest you to go through this. Sign it, I'll send you today. Okay, I'll send you the matrices and determinants PDF book. Okay, book in the sense you'll be having 4 to 5 pages, beta. Just go through that. You need not to watch videos if you don't want. I'll be sending you the 4 to 5 pages. Just go through and read it. Okay, beta? Clear?
Yes, sir.
If at all you are not understanding, still you can go through. If you are not understanding anything from that book, then you can go and watch the videos. Clear?
Well, sir, can you teach straight lines from math?
Definitely.
I didn't understand properly.
Yes, I think straight line is in class 11 from CBSE. Have you done with the straight lines?
Yes, sir. We did it.
Great. Very good. Ritvik, what about you?
I'm done with straight lines, sir. And technically, all the chapters are completed in my college, sir. They're doing
problem,
revision right now.
Yes. Seeker, what about you?
Sir, shall we go with limits or functions for the next chapter?
Limits are fine. Anything is fine. Okay.
Yeah,
Limits
limits
or
also
functions, your
hard, sir. I
choice,
don't
sir.
know.
Sorry,
So
Varun?
actually, straight
Limits
lines is
also I don't know. They
Yes,
didn't
sir.
teach
Then
it
we'll go
properly.
with
Straight
limits.
lines I'm done, Devanshika,
Yes,
so I
sir,
can't.
limits.
Sorry.
One second. Devanchika, you done with this the straight lines?
yes, sir, but it's like main chapter, no, sir, straight lines.
Yeah.
And from straight lines only, they give like long answers. They majorly given straight lines
Not
only,
straight
sir.
lines, pair of straight lines.
Yes, sir, pair of straight lines and straight lines, sir.
Yeah.
As sir told. That's
Yeah.
it.
Limits or functions, sir.
Limits.
What
yeah,
about
no,
others?
No problem. We'll go. See, anyhow we'll be finishing all the topics. You did not worry which is first, which is second. Everything will comes in our place. Everything will fall in place. You
Yeah.
need to be patient. That's it. Which Srika, tell me which topic you want me to start and which topic you have done from college side. Have you done with the both topics or have you done with one topic from limits and straight lines?
Sir, we didn't even start IP yet, our college.
What are you
We
talking
didn't start
about?
IP, sir, preparation.
You didn't even start with the limits.
No, sir. Like, they didn't give us the books, sir, the textbooks.
Please. You just go through and just go to them and ask when they are going to start IP like that. Okay, but because your exams are nearby, still they can't be like without starting IP. You understand? Your exams, your board exams are going to come in the month of March only. Telangana public board exam. Yes, CBSE also, like in fact, CBSE for class 11 they won't be having board exams if I'm not wrong. Sign
Yeah. What do you say, bro? Limits? Are you okay with it?
Guys, make it fast.
Okay, limits. Sir.
Okay. What about Srikar? Then, however, Srikar, then which topic you want me to start from 1B?
Any topics, sir? I don't know.
Any topics you don't know? Any topics they haven't start, right?
Yes, sir.
So any topics you will be fine with. Devanshika, what do you say?
Okay, sir.
Then we will go with pair of straight lines once we're done with the limits. Once next week we'll be going with that. Why? Because this week we'll be finishing limits. Next week we'll go for that. No problem. Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, Devashika. Every chapter will be completed. So be
Yeah,
patient.
yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. You can send me that limits as well, Devanshika. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sainiyati, you understood, right? For class 11, you won't be having board exam. Your school will be conducting board exam. Am I right?
Yes, sir. School only.
Yeah. Okay, beta. Thank you. You can join now. You can leave this class immediately. Everyone must join the JEE class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.